Today, I want to share a simple CPA marketing strategy that has the potential to help you make up to $3,000 per week. It might sound wild, but I assure you that it's entirely possible. I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. In this strategy, you don't need a massive following or paid ads to generate traffic, which is the beauty of it. There's only one key action that promises you can earn thousands of dollars every week. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any crucial steps I'll share with you. If you're unfamiliar with CPA marketing, let me explain. CPA stands for cost per action. If you make an offer to someone and they complete a survey, provide their credit card information, or share their personal details, they will automatically be entered into a draw, sweepstakes, or product testing. This is why CPA marketing is such an exciting topic these days. Just think for a moment. So many companies are doing sweepstakes with various types of gift cards that you can offer people. Everybody needs free money and discounts, so they will look into it. So, without any delay, let me show you how to do it. There are two platforms that I will be sharing with you. The first platform we must go to is cpagrip.com, and then you must sign up as an affiliate. It is very simple and free. After signing up, you will be shown this page. On your left, click on Offers Tools and then click on My Offers. This will bring you to a new page with a huge list. All of these are different types of CPA marketing products you can promote. In order to find offers, you can see on the top left where you can select countries. You can switch to Australia, the US, or any other country if you want to target any specific country. But I would advise you to select all countries. Then you can find the search section on the right, where I'm going to type gift and press enter. Here you can see so many gift cards for Sephora, Shein, and Adidas, and you can see the countries mentioned here. On the right, you can see the payout of each gift card. Now, I'm going to share how to promote these gift cards. When we click on this $500 back to the school gift card, you can see that to win this through a draw, they will have to submit their details. Once they enter their details, you will get paid. This is why CPA marketing is such an awesome way to make money. If you can drive the right amount of traffic, you can make a good amount of dollars. For example, if you can make 30 to 40 people to fill their details, you can easily make $50. Next, let's take a look at cpaylead.com, which is another platform we'll explore. When you sign up on this website, it will direct you to this page. On the left, you have to click Dashboard. Then, you can see the filters that are already shown here. You just have to keep these filters that I have kept. On the right, there is a search bar where you have to type gift, and it will give you a list of gift cards and surveys that you can promote. All you have to do is click on it. And here you will find the affiliate link for the offer you want to promote. You can read the rules for this offer, and if you scroll down, you can see the image you can use. As you can see, its payout is 22 cents, and it accepts Singapore, which is good. Now that I have shown the platforms where you can find these offers to promote, our next step is to drive traffic to these offers. Before we dive into that, I've got a great tip to share with you all at the end of the video. This tip has the potential to boost your sales significantly. Coming back on how to drive traffic, go to Quora.com and sign up for an account. So if you don't know Quora, it's a site where people like to ask various questions, and others can answer them. Quora has introduced a new feature called Spaces, which we will use to promote our offers. But let me first show you how many people are interested in this platform. Here, I typed how to get free money and pressed enter. As you can see, there are so many questions people are asking, and look at the number of answers people have given. And if you notice, this is an old post, but people are still answering it. It is getting answers till now. You can now realize how people are so interested in answering such questions. Now, we will go to Spaces and click on it. Here, you have to click on Create a Space. After that, you will be asked two things. First, you have to create a name for your space that is related to what you want to do. Since we want to offer free money to people, I typed in How to Get Free Money Guide. It shows here it's available. Second, we have to add a simple sentence to describe what this will be about. I typed, We will guide you through the process of making free money. Then click Create. This is how your space will look. You can add a few things here, like adding a photo of yours or adding a banner to attract people. I won't go into it as you can easily do it. Canva is an excellent site for making amazing banners. Click on Get Started and complete the process. A great thing about Quora is that you can monetize your answers and posts in your space. If you start posting different types of content, such as articles, Quora can put ads on your articles through which you earn money. Once you have done that, scroll down. Here is where you can post your content. Now, what kind of content do we have to post to promote our offers? To make it simple, we have to go to chatgpt.com. As you know, it's a super easy site for you to write articles on. All you have to do is give some instructions. I have typed "Write me a 500-word article for Quora on 5 ways people can get free money." The last point needs to be around entering CPA offers where they can win $500 back to the school gift card with a call to action to click on the link I have provided for them to enter the competition. Here, the ChatGPT has written the article. You have to copy this whole article and return it to Quora, where we left it. Paste the article here. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us a call to action at the end. Select click on this link and enter the link of the gift card we previously copied. Also, click on bold so people can quickly notice your text link. So the title of the article is 5 Easy Ways to Get Free Money. It's a full 500-word article, and the offer link is embedded at the end. Now we only have to press post. The article will be posted on your space on Quora. It will show people your article, whoever is interested in making free, easy money, or likes to read different articles on such topics. After this, you should post different money-related articles with gift card links. When you would post a bunch of articles in your space, you will get a lot of traffic. People will start taking an interest in your content. And when people will start signing up for the gift card, you will start making money. I'd like to mention something. Don't expect that posting an article today will give you sales tomorrow. Sometimes articles take time to index, so you might get slow traffic initially, but they will get good attention soon, hopefully in 3 to 6 weeks. This brings me to the end of the video, where I reveal the tip that can double your sales. As I told you earlier, you must put gift card links in your article to make people sign up for them. The tip is that you can even put 3 to 4 links in a single article, so that even if one person reads the article, they will sign up for 3 to 4 gift cards. That will automatically double your sales. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.